Hello everyone, I hope all of y'all are doing well. In this video, I'm going to talk about a messaging app called VText. VText is a messaging app which allows companies to send bulk messages to their existing list of users or a single user. We have built this using Laravel Task Scheduler and Twilio API for SMS.
Here in this home page, we have already made a feature below which allows the admin to send personal messages or in groups or mass messages directly or reply and edit messages over here. Here we have used APIs to send direct message and Laravel scheduler to send a scheduled message. Here, if you see the right panel of the home screen is a quick send message option over here where the user will just have to select from the company. You can select a company and then select the contacts. Like this, we'll have to write a message over here, can choose a file also to attach with this message, or can just tick on this box where the message will be sent to all the contacts of this particular company. Then click on send. In the settings option over here, there is an option called the schedule message. If you click on that, then here, user will get the option to set or schedule a message. So after clicking on that option, the user will be redirected to this form where the person will have to maybe just write a message label. Person can select a date, maybe this, and add a time. Okay, add a time. Then select company name from here, whichever company, and select contacts. Or just click on send to all contacts. So all the contacts will be selected of this particular company. Write a message over here and click on send. After filling up this form, your scheduled message will appear over here and it will be sent to the concerned person on the particular scheduled date and time. A person can also add a new company over here, and for that the person will have to fill up this form over here and click on submit. The user can also edit over here and check the company name, the phone number in the dashboard. Check message. Here is a send mail option. If you click on that, see, uh, you have to fill in any other email or just click on send to all contacts. All the contacts will appear over here. Write the subject, enter your mail body. You can choose a file if you want to attach and just click on submit. A mail will be sent to that concerned person. In the left panel, if I click over here, here all your messages will appear. You can search and you can reply with this reply option.
So these were the functionalities of this app. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.